Good morning and thank you for joining me in the craft studio today. So a lot of questions I've been getting lately is how I put my inserts in cards. So I thought I would do a little video for you. So today I'm using the Twiggy Wreath kit. So that comes with the main topper sheet, selection of sentiments. Then you have a landscape insert and what would normally be portrait insert for A5 cards, but today I'm going to be using it in an 8x8 card. So the topper sheet I printed onto 200 GSM Navigator paper. Then I printed this insert onto Hobbycraft's 160 GSM super smooth printing paper. And then this one is just printed onto simple photocopier paper. Now I always recommend using the best quality paper and cardstock you have in your stash because it will give you better results. Now I just wanted to show you, you can see the thickness difference of these. Now the colours are very similar. My print is a Canon Pixma and the colours are very similar. I've got no issue with that, but it's just you get little creases and marks in the lighter weight paper. So just have a go with what you have in your stash and have a play about with it. So this is the card that I made using the kit yesterday. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my insert inside. So this is the one I'm going to be using today. You could easily use that one, no problem at all. It's just I fancy the one with the 4 sparkly bits, these little flourishes and swirls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my insert over and then I'm just going to grab a pencil, pop it inside so I'm happy with it, and I just want to leave a few millimeters border around the outside. So I'm just going to put a little mark on the paper here, a little mark on here. I'm not measuring, it's just by eye. Take out my trusty old trimmer. Trim that down. Same on the top. Keep those bits for later. And then just going to check to make sure I've got the card the right way around. And then just using a tape pen. Could use double-sided tape, DST for this. I wouldn't recommend using a wet glue if you're using lightweight paper. Now this is the photocopier one because you will get little bubbles, little ripples of the wet glue, so you're always better off using a tape. If you wanted to use a wet glue, then I would consider printing it onto the heavier weight, then you won't get those little water ripples. So I'm just going to offer this up. As I say, I haven't measured it, I'm just going by eye. There we go, and just to give it a little bit of extra press, I'm just taking my bone folder and we'll just go over the surface of the insert just to make sure it's got a nice adhesion all the way around. And then there's my insert done. Well, I hope you've liked this little video. If you have, please check out the video gallery. I've got loads more videos there. And if you think I deserve it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the channel with the notification bell on. That way YouTube will let you know the next time I upload a video. And if you're not a member of our little Facebook community already, then why don't you pop over and join us there? So I will pop everything you need to know for this video. I'll pop it in the description of the video below, and I'll also put it in the first comment. Just depending on what device you're watching on, sometimes it's easier to find the information in the link. So that's in the description of the video and in the first comment. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye bye.